travel the world with your senses. Soba is a beloved Japanese noodle dish. With its slightly nutty flavor and chewy texture, soba is a staple in Japanese cuisine.
Please watch the video until the end as we will show you how to boil thin and delicate soba noodles, how to make the soba dipping sauce that is essential for enjoying soba, and the health benefits of soba.
First, I will show you how to make soba tsuyu, or noodle soup. You make a seasoning called kaishi and dilute it with dashi stock to make soba tsuyu. Soba dipping sauce is a delicious and versatile condiment that can be used with soba noodles, tempura, and other Japanese dishes. To make the kaishi, add mirin, bring to a boil to evaporate the alcohol, add sugar and half the soy sauce, and heat. When the sugar has dissolved, turn off the heat and add the remaining soy sauce. The reason for adding the soy sauce all at once and not heating it is that the aroma of the soy sauce is retained. The kaishi can be used immediately, but if you bottle it and leave it for about 2 weeks, the flavors will blend and it will become even more flavorful. Dilute 1 part of the kaishi with 3 to 4 parts of dashi. Watch this video to learn how to make dried sardine dashi. I'll upload the bonito dashi at a later date. Next, let's boil the soba noodles. The most important thing is to boil plenty of water. Sprinkle 1 serving of soba noodles into the pot. The boiling time varies depending on the thickness of the soba noodles. Today I boiled the noodles for about 20 to 30 seconds after adding the noodles and bringing them to a boil again. Place the noodles in a colander and rinse with cold water to remove any stickiness. Finally, place in ice water for about 30 seconds to firm the noodles. Serve soba dipping sauce in small individual bowls. Add a few drops of grated wasabi and a sprinkle of green onions to taste.
Savor the experience of eating soba with traditional etiquette, including the proper way to hold chopsticks and slurp your noodles. In Japan, it is not bad manners to make slurping noises when eating soba noodles, because the smoothness of the noodles is important.
Buckwheat is a seed, not a grain like wheat or rice. It is rich in minerals such as copper and magnesium. The rutin in buckwheat prevents cellular oxidation. Nutrient-rich buckwheat is said to contribute to blood sugar regulation, overall heart health, and support the gut microbiome.
Please enjoy soba, which is healthy and part of Japanese culture.